Do you ever feel like, I just don't have enough time to make videos? Well, me too. Until I figured out how to make time to create videos fast so I don't get burnt out and lose my Now this is part of pillar 1 of my video success framework, your video roadmap. It's all about the exact process to creating effective videos. Because what most frustrated with video solopreneurs and coaches do is create videos each week or some each day and rely on feeling inspired to get the job done. And what that causes is for you to be burnt out or frustrated by creating video after video that takes them hours and hours to create each one while neglecting other high priority areas of your business. And this may be exactly what you're doing right now. So in this video, we're gonna fix all that, and I'm gonna show you how to make time to create videos so that you get the job done faster. So if this is your first time here, make sure you hit that little subscribe button down there, turn on the bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. And at the end of this video, I'm gonna give you access to a free tool that's really gonna help you implement what we're about to go through. So it really comes down to this. Stop making videos every week. Now I love video and I can't think of anything more depressing. And it's actually, you're losing time and energy by doing this. So what you need to do is to create videos in batches of 1 to 3 months. And when you're able to do this, that means you can sit back and relax while your videos do the hard work or focus on other areas of your business without having to stress about that next video that you need to create. So how we do this is batching each step of the process. But you may have heard that term before, but what does it actually mean? So that means coming up with video ideas for about 6 to 12 months at a time. Yes, an entire year. Now what that means is you can pick and choose from those video ideas at any time. So then you will choose enough for 1 to 3 or even 6 months, and you would plan them, film them, edit them, and schedule them all ahead of time. Now the way you do that is setting aside time in your calendar to go through each step. So let me explain. So for example, you should spend more time in the script phase than anywhere else, as this is where you craft a message that actually grabs attention and resonates with your ideal clients. You may need a whole day for this, depending on how many videos you're going to be creating, as well as if you're starting from scratch or if you're using proven script templates. Then filming should be much quicker. Don't worry about those mistakes, just keep recording, because in the editing, you're gonna fix those. And editing will take more time than filming, but not as much as scripting. And then scheduling them out should take even less time than filming. In all, you spent about 1 to 4 days creating content that's gonna last you 1 to 6 months. If we look at the numbers, if I'm to create about 12 to 15 videos, then I'm gonna spend well over 60 hours if I try and create 1 video a week. But when I do them all together, I'm actually only spending about 32 hours, and that's split over a couple of days. It's cutting my time in half. So now you know how to make time to create those videos that are going to grow your reach, your impact, and your revenue online. But it doesn't do you any good if you don't take action. So just down below, you'll find a link to my Trello template that I use to plan out my video process. All you need to do is click on that, fill in the form, and I'll make sure I get that sent over to you. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video.